I'm excited to show you them. I use them all the time. You can use them once to twice a week. This particular box has 6 chefs. Whoa. Hey you guys, I hope your day is going fabulously and that October is treating you well. Fall is like going quickly and soon we are going to be at Christmas time. So today we're going to do our first comparison review, and that's always exciting because I like to see how products hold up against each other. What we're talking about today are eye masks. You know I'm all about anti-aging, you know I love moisture, you know I love all of that great stuff that you can put on your eyes to make them plump and beautiful, so eye masks are the best way to go. I have 2 great brands that we're going to be comparing today, and the first one is Lancome, and it's actually from their Absolute L'Extrait line, and this line is kind of the upper tier of Lancome. These are fabulous eye patches. I've probably used them about a year now. You can use them once to twice a week. They are smoothing, plumping, brightening. They feel so good. And they're a great treatment for under the eyes. There is 6 packets in this, and it sells for $50. So it is a little on the pricey side. But I think it performs wonderfully. I love it. This is how it comes. So you have the little eye patches in here, and you have this beautiful packaging. You just peel back and keeps them nice and moist, nice and fresh when you pull them out of the package. So that is Lancome. Then our other brand is going to be Shiseido, which is another fabulous brand. This line in particular, again, Benefiance, I believe it's one of their top tier in the line as well. It's moisture packed. I have not tried, although I've tried the creams. I've tried their eye cream, which is honestly one of my favorite eye creams. So why I haven't tried these eye patches, I really don't know, but I'm gonna give them a shot today, and we are gonna compare the 2. This one here it's filled with plant extracts. Also has retinol, which is lovely. So I'm excited to try this. It is also smoothing, and its packaging is this right here. And I can feel inside that it's a tray, just like this one. So gonna be very similar in the design. Most all the eye masks are. And yeah, I'm ready to give them a go. We're going to take off my makeup, put them on. You'll leave them 10 to 15 minutes. I always leave it the full 15 because why not? And then the rest of the residue, you'll just kind of massage into the skin. I do like to do eye masks at night just because I like the repair mode that our skin goes into when we are resting. So I guess if I was going to a special event, it'd be a nice pick-me-up too, but we will see when we see the results of the comparison. So I'm going to get this face off and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. I've cleansed my face. I left my eye makeup on and my lips just in case we go anywhere and I didn't want to have to do all that again. So here you go. This is the Lancome. I have it's like super sealed. They're so fresh. I love them. So here it is. I'm just going to use one. So this is kind of a gel. It's not a paper or anything. And I'm going to put it right here. Feels so good. There's that one. And then the Shiseidos. So the packaging is a little different. So this one comes, there's 2 there. And then here is Shiseido's. And theirs are more, it's like a paper feel. It's different. Not saying it's bad, just different. And theirs is gonna go right here. So there are the differences. Different texture for sure. This is like a gel, this is a paper. Both great products, both feel cool. And now we're gonna see, get that timer going, 15 minutes, I will be back. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and we are gonna compare the two. So I'm gonna take these off, they just kind of come off. You'll have a little bit of excess product that I'm going to rub in. I will say the Lancome side is cooler and it's pretty dry. I've kind of soaked up everything. This one is still moist. So I'm going to rub that rest of it in. This one, I could feel the retinol. I know that kind of sounds crazy, but I think I'm a little sensitive to retinol, so maybe that's why. But still felt cool as well, just not as much. And I have so much more product. This one is gone. It's pretty much soaked up. So, okay, 3, 2, 1. So this side is Shiseido. Still nice and moist. This side is Lancome. I actually see a few lines right there. Can you see them? So, there's my comparison. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can't, it's on camera, so I don't know what you're looking at, but hopefully it zoomed in enough that you can see the difference. Just giving you a few views. So in closing, my consensus is, I honestly don't know. I thought I knew last night when we were taking the eye patches off and I was looking in the mirror. Shiseido, which was on this side, looked nice and moist, and honestly, like the lines here were pretty much gone because it was so moisturized. On the left side where Lancome was, I had soaked up all the product. So I did see little fine lines still in this area. Yet, when I looked at the edit, I had a change of thought, because even though Shiseido was moisturized and it looked great in the mirror, when I looked on camera, this one was nice and plump. So Ness and I dug a little deeper and were like, okay, what went on here? On Lancome's box, it says immediate smoothing, replumping, and radiance. The smoothing part, it did okay, but not all the way. Replumping, absolutely, that's what I noticed when I looked at the edit. And brightening, which I think is their word for radiance. It's brightening. The ingredients that's in there has a brightener, so makes sense that it would brighten. On Shiseido's box, it's a smoothing, pure retinol express smoothing eye mask, and it says these quick concentrated treatment sheets reduce the appearance of wrinkles even with just one application. Each use refines skin's texture and improves its resilience for eyes that look vibrant. With this box, when I read that, definitely it was smooth as silk. It did exactly that. But it doesn't have plumping in it. So when you look on the close-up that we did, right in here, I'm kind of sunken in, and that happens with age. You kind of lose that volume. So I liked the Lancome side because it was nice and plump. Honestly, you guys, I think I would use both because they kind of do different things. For over time, refining that area, Shiseido is going to be awesome. And for plumping, Lancome is awesome. For Lancome, it's 6 packets for $50. And for Shiseido, it's 12 packets for $65. So the Shiseido is a better value, and you can use them twice a week. If I did that as a treatment and saved the Lancome ones for special occasions, because you get that plumpness, that might be the thing to do. I don't know. So you guys comment below and you let me know what you think. Which side do you think looks better? We're gonna pop up one more shot of that close-up and let me know what you guys think, because I'm kind of curious. I have a mixed decision. I don't know what to do except to use both. So I am leaving it in your hands. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and hit that bell if you want to be notified, because we are doing these twice a week, coming in nice and strong. Take care. Bye.